In this video, I will be showing you how to make a portfolio on Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I click the search bar on the Canva homepage, type in website, and click See All under Templates. On the results page, I click the Portfolio filter tag at the top to view website portfolio templates. I scroll down through the options to find the right layout. I select the red-gray modern creative portfolio presentation template and click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now that the design is loaded, I start customizing the first page. I click on the background, open the color panel, and use the color picker to set a soft coral shade. Next, I select the large portfolio title, reposition it, and open the font dropdown. I choose the font Fredoka, resize the text box to make the heading stand out, and change the text color to dark red. Next, I update the text details. I click the name in the top left and change it to Sarah Tomas. On the top right, I replace the handle with @sample.com. Then, I select the job title at the bottom right and change it to Virtual Assistants. I then click Page 2 from the bottom thumbnail bar. I select the Personal Overview heading, open the font menu, and change it to Fredoka to maintain consistent styling. After checking Page 3, I switch back to the first slide and delete the placeholder photo. Finally, I click the Share button in the top right corner and select the website option to open the publishing panel, where I can preview and publish the site. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a portfolio on Canva.